Fortunate to be in a world right now where you can make money almost anywhere. You can work remotely or start your own business. And I'm going to share with you 10 online businesses you can do anywhere in the world. Number one, digital products business. Digital products are like ebooks, templates, guides, checklists, Notion, all these things that people can access online. Right? You can create it once and sell it indefinitely. You don't have to carry any inventory, and it's fully passive, meaning you make money whether you sleep, whether you're up, whether you're on vacation, etc. So how do you do it? It's simple. You pick a niche, whether it's wellness, fitness, etc. You create a product. You can use Canva, you can use Google Docs, you can use Notion, you can use various software and AI tools to create a product. Then you set up a storefront. You can use Gumroad, you can use Amazon, you can use Shopify, you can use BigCommerce, you can use System.io. Then you promote it on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn. And then you grow an email list to capture those customers' information, and then you can introduce your products over time through them. So yes, one way is to have digital products. Second way, or a second business, online business you can have and make money anywhere in the world, is being a content creator, like what I'm doing right now. Creating information, helping you to get to where you want to get to. Content creation is another way, it's another business you can do anywhere in the world and make money anywhere in the world. Why? Simple. You can make money in various ways. You can make money from ads, sponsorships, affiliate links, digital products or services. You can build trust and attention. You can have multiple streams of income, and it is entirely remote. As you can see, here I am enjoying the downtown in one city, and the next time I'm going to be in another city, enjoying the waterfalls, the landscape, etc. I have a table for myself. Well, for now, right? So how do you do it? You choose a niche, whether travel, finance, personal growth, storytelling. Then you start posting like 3 to 5 times per week. And you pick a platform and you focus on it. So if you like YouTube, choose YouTube. Pinterest, choose Pinterest. TikTok, LinkedIn. You monetize with affiliate links. You can also monetize with affiliate links. You can do it through, most popular is Amazon affiliates, but there are other affiliate links you can use. And you can launch your own products or services while creating content, because now you have the audience, now you have the attention, and people will start buying your own products and services. So you can go ahead and make money in that way, as well as from affiliate marketing and the other areas that I share with you, which is advertising, sponsorships. Already there are people who have 10 to 50,000 followers making 3 to 10k a week. So go ahead, start creating content, sharing what you know. Share what you know, because you know something, I know something, you know something, and there are people out there waiting on you to help them get to where they want to get to. So don't be selfish and hold that knowledge in your head. Go ahead, man, share it with them so they can get to where they want to get to. Share it with me. I want to see your videos on LinkedIn and YouTube so I can learn and get to where I want to get to too. Yes, I am sharing with you, but I'm also a learner too. I want to learn too. So go ahead, share what you know, and start earning. Another online business you can do anywhere in the world is freelance services. So if you like editing videos, maybe you can edit my video. Doesn't matter where you are in the world. I simply upload it to your portal. You go ahead, edit it, send it back to me. I send the money to you through PayPal and other means. So yes, go ahead, offer freelance services. You also have sites like Fiverr and Upwork, where you can put your information on it and people contact you for various jobs. Also, you can do it in person. Maybe you know somebody who need help with something, you go ahead, offer your services and they pay you. So there are various ways you can make money online anywhere in the world, and freelance service is one of those ways of making money online anywhere in the world. Another way or another business you can do is online coaching and consulting. Teaching or guiding others based on your expertise and transformation. So earlier I said you can create content and share, but now you're taking it further. You are actually coaching people. You're meeting them, you're talking with them on the phone, you have courses with them, you have Zoom meetings with them, and sometimes they even have workshops online called webinars, or you can rent a hotel or a convention center or wherever and have people physically in person, because the physical experience is way better than the online. And there are a lot of people who prefer that than the online approach. You can even have that, but if not, you can always do webinars, Zoom meetings, etc., and start sharing your knowledge and expertise with others. So go ahead, don't be afraid of coaching and consulting. Share your knowledge. There are people waiting on you to solve the problems that they have. Another business you can do is affiliate marketing. We spoke about it earlier. So what is affiliate marketing? I'll give you a practical example. Amazon has Amazon Associates. So you go there and you get your affiliate link. What it means is that, let's say that you like buying shoes on Amazon, and there's a particular shoes you like, and you always keep telling people about it. Get that link, and when you tell people about it, share that link with them, so that when they go to buy it, and they buy it through that link that you get a percentage from the sale. Right? They're still gonna pay the same price. The price is not gonna increase. So if it costs, let's say the shoes cost $100, they're gonna pay the $100. It's just that you're getting piece of that $100. So it's not gonna cost them anymore. It's gonna cost them the same cost that it costs you to buy it. It's just that this time you're getting paid. And I know many of you, just like myself, have told many people about things that you enjoy, and they go and they purchase it. It's just that you didn't receive any compensation. And with affiliate marketing, you can start getting compensated for recommending stuff to people. So go ahead, get your affiliate link, not just Amazon, but there are other companies that do it, and start making money. Now, course and membership business. Like I said, share your knowledge. If you know how to sew, design a course. And the course can be video where you're showing step by step how to sew. And you can put it on sites. You can use system.io to set up your website. You can put it on Teachable. There are various sites. There are many sites that you can put it up on. You can have your own stand store, and people pay, and they go in, they watch your videos and start learning. You can also do it on YouTube for free, right? You can put the step by step how people can start doing the thing that you're showing them, and as they click on it, and if you're monetized with YouTube, you start earning money from people watching your videos for free. So go ahead, man, share your knowledge. I'm saying it from the start, and I'm still gonna say, share what you know. You're already doing it. Share the things you like, because there are people out there who like it also and would like some guidance. Now there's another online business I can do. It's called print on demand. You ever see a lot of those websites where you see t-shirts with different designs? Well, the people who have those t-shirts selling, they don't actually have those t-shirts. There's a supplier that has it. All they do is make the design, put it on the image, and then put up the image, and then you see the image. When you click on the image and say, yes, I want this t-shirt, that is when the supplier sends it to you. And the supplier takes their money from what you have paid, and then the rest goes to the person whose business it is. So you can do that too. You don't have to worry about inventory. You don't even have to pay the supplier up front. The supplier only gets paid when there's sales. So if there's no sale, the supplier doesn't get paid, and you don't have to worry about the inventory. So go ahead, man, consider print on demand. and start making money. Another online business you can do is blogging. Why blogging? Because again, people need information, people need help. And if you're good at writing, you don't like to show your face, like, oh, I'm showing my face, you don't like videos, that's okay, you can write. There are many websites that offer the ability to write. You just check them out. You go on them, you set up your page. Some are free, some are paid. And even the paid ones sometimes are free options. You can do it. Share your knowledge, share your information. And after a while, what happens is that because you have so much attention, people want to advertise on your blog. Then now you charge them and then you make that money. You yourself can sell products that you like. Let's say that you bake cupcakes and you talk about parties a lot and you write about parties and all this stuff. You can put your contact details in that blog so that people contact you to make cupcakes. And that is how you are making money, simply by writing and sharing your information. So go ahead, start your blog and start making that money. Of course, there are many ways you can make money from a blog. You just have to explore them and use the one that you like the most. Not because you say others doing it, you do it. Do the one that you like the most. Why? Because it's going to be easier for you and you're going to be consistent with it. Another online business you can do and make money anywhere in the world is be a social media manager. Why? Because people are busy. They don't have time to post, reply to comments, and do all these things to build their social media channel. So go ahead, contact people who want to have a social media presence but don't have the time, and charge them for it and start making money. Especially if you're already good on social media, you're managing your account well, you simply manage theirs too and you pay them. You usually get paid monthly, so you have money coming in every month. And before you know it, you might start doing it full time because you have so many clients and the money is good. So explore being social media manager and start making that buck. And of course you can do it anywhere in the world, anywhere you please. The last thing is a newsletter business. So what's a newsletter business? There's so many things happening all over the world and people want in-depth information on what is happening and how they can benefit or invest in it. So when you can supply them that information weekly, monthly, and it is improving their situation, they are willing to pay for it. They can pay for it per issue, they can pay for it monthly. You design the business and send it to them. So again, if you like writing, if you're like me, reading the news, keeping up to date, you're like me, like investing, if you're like me, like helping people to make money from what they're doing, then start a newsletter business. And you can do that anywhere in the world, online with your newsletter business. So those are 10 online businesses that you can start right now and make money anywhere in the world. We're in the age now where you can make money doing almost anything you like, anything you want, anything you're passionate about. You can check out my website, leroyabron.ca. Used up some of the free resources on it as well as the paid resources. So go ahead, man. Get the information and start making money anywhere in the world.